Redneck Muck, peace. So, if you watch the channel much, you know this is where Cleo sits. Cleo's not here. The wife called and said that she will not start. So, let's go rescue her. Redneck Muck, to the rescue.
I'm Rescue Muck, coming to the rescue. I'm Rescue Muck, coming to the rescue.
All right, so here we are. I think my first thought is pop the hood, take a quick look, and you know, you guys can join me. We'll see what happens here. You pop the hood by pulling this little lever right here. If you'll notice, that little lever's got the dimmer switch hanging on it because I've never bolted it to the floor. Got a release right there. She said she saw smoke out from underneath the hood. I'm gonna assume she got the starter hot from cranking on it. Not really seeing much anywhere. Everything looks okay. So what's the odds that it was flooded and on these Studebakers, you got to make sure this dude comes back over. So, always do that. Okay, am I magic? Will it start? Let's find out together. All right. It takes the key and puts it in the keyhole. I'm not gonna pump it or anything. Sounds okay to me. She hates it when this happens. I guess flooded. This is a little low on fuel, sitting on an incline, but I wouldn't think that would matter. It's not like out. It's probably eighth of tank. So yeah, sounds fine. Let me see if I can find her so I can say, yeah, it works great. Well, she's home. No issues. Stopped for gas. Drove her around a little bit. Restarted her at the gas station, no problem, you know. I don't know. It's old car stuff, you know. My guess is that pumped it one time, that set the choke, and then she said there was some smoke, and I'm assuming that's from cranking it over, and said she got it to run a couple times, but it sputtered out on her, flooded. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but, you know. Hey, drives great, runs great, looks great. What more can you want from a car? Or a man? Redneck Muck, peace.